the Valk 3 Power M.
Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Hey guys, this is JMGaming, and today we're going to unbox and review and try out everything. The Valk 3 Power M. So, and the M stands for magnetic, which means that the cube itself is magnetic. So, over the box is a really cool envelope where it's written Valk 3 Power M that just goes on top here. And when you open it, it's a magnetical box. So when you open it here, you see the cube itself, and in the center, it's Valk 3 Power M. So the box is like very soft. This is foam, and there's two notches here, so that you can place the cube perfectly, and it will close diagonally. So let's just try to build the cube, and then we'll pass to what's inside the box. So, well, the cube wall turns really well. It's really smooth. It's a bit crunchy, but it's really smooth, and you can feel the magnet if you go through the cube like this. You can even see it on camera. So I'm just gonna play around a bit with it, and then we'll pass back to the video.
See, I ain't tryna hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. Yup, see, I ain't tryna hurt you, baby. No, I just wanna work you, baby. If you scared, you better run. You better run. You better run. You better run. You better. Run away, baby. Before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling. 'Cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone. 'Cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. Ah, yes. Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. 'Cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay.
So I tried it a bit out, and it's really smooth actually. So we're just gonna pass back to what's inside the box, and then I'll review two other cubes, the 3x3 but rubiks, and another 4x4 also rubiks. So what's inside the box is under the bottom foam part. Inside here we have strings in case the cube breaks or something. And in here we have a little patch, and we can open it right here. Inside we have, a guide of how to use the thing and everything. There's also a sticker, everything here. Then here we have a little pouch that we can, you can clean it. And here we have stickers. These are extra stickers in case the cube stickers break. Disintegrate or just disappear, or it's hard to peel off. So that's really cool. We'll just leave it in here and pass to the other cubes. So we're going to compare these three, 4x4 rubiks, the Valk 3 Power M, and a 3x3 rubik as well. So we're going to judge them from 1 to 3. And so 1 is the best, 3 is the not as best, and 2 is in the middle. So this one is a bit like slow and crunchy, but I mean almost all the 4x4 like that, so yeah, it's hard to judge. But it's very slow, so yeah, this is at least 2 or 3. Then there's the Valk 3 Power M, really smooth, very fast, a really good quality, but a bit more expensive. And here's the 3x3 rubiks. I have to say it's faster than this one, but it's still as crunchy. And the Rubik's company, even if they invented Rubik's Cube, it's still pretty slow and crunchy. So I guess this is number 1, the Valk 3 Power M. This one will be number 2, and this one, the 4x4, number 3. Thank you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can check out all our other videos on JMGaming. And if you enjoyed this video, please put a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Em will make very soon another Rubik's Cube video, including 2 of the 3 best Rubik's Cubes in the world. So I hope you enjoyed this Valk 3 Power M. You can buy it in stores and online, but it's cheaper online, so I recommend online. And so thank you, see you next time. Bye guys, thank you all.